If you have a Mac computer, you have access to Apple QuickTime Player, which is a useful and free video editor. While the software lacks advanced features, it is great for basic editing tasks such as combining and cutting videos, trimming clips, adding music, and even recording your screen or FaceTime video with sound. To access QuickTime Player, you have two options. First, you can click on the launchpad and search for QuickTime Player. Alternatively, you can click on one of your videos to open it directly. Now, QuickTime Player supports many video file formats such as .mov, .avi, MP4, and additionally, it supports several audio file formats such as MP3, .wav, etc. I'm going to show you how to use the player and edit your videos by using few videos of my cat Rio. If you have any problems with the player, you should make sure first that you have the most recent version of Mac software on your computer, as that is how the player gets updated. To check, go to Settings, General, and Software Update. First thing we're going to do is rotate one of my videos by going to Edit and then selecting Rotate. You can also flip your image left and right side, as well as flip it vertically by changing its top and bottom. You can also zoom in or out of your video by either going to View, Zoom in or out, or by pressing Command plus or Command minus. When using QuickTime Player, utilizing the Command option becomes the cornerstone of shortcuts. One really neat feature is the ability to open multiple videos and play them simultaneously. To start playing all at the same time, first you open all your videos and press Command and Return. To stop all of them, press the keys again. Now this feature is particularly useful when you want to compare two videos with different resolutions because it ensures perfect time alignment to compare. I use it to check which resolution is best for an upload. If you use the Command and Return, the videos play simultaneously. If you just press the space bar, only the one selected will stop or play. To play any video, move the pointer anywhere over the video to show the playback controls. You can move the controls around if they are in a way. You can speed up the video by clicking multiple times on the right arrow to speed up the video 2 times, 5 times, etc. You can also select the faint gray arrows on the right and select playback speed manually. Here you can speed up the video but also slow it down to half time. You can do the same thing going backwards. Another easier way to scrub forward or backward is to swipe 2 fingers left or right on your trackpad or use your mouse to do the same while the video is paused. By default, you see the total duration of your video, but you can double click on the time to see the remaining time instead. One useful thing that is missing in QuickTime is the frame saving feature. However, there is a quick workaround. Select the frame you want to save as an image, go to Edit, Copy, and then open Preview, which is also pre-installed on all Apple computers. Then go to File in Preview and then New from Clipboard, and now you can save it wherever you like. Now let's start the editing process. Editing commands involve Command plus E to show all frames, Command plus T to trim a video or a clip, Command plus Y to split a video or a clip, not a Command S as it is already taken to save the video. But these 3 are the ones that you'll be using a lot to edit your video. Let's start our first edit. Press Command E to see all the frames in the video. Now there is a very faint red vertical line showing you the position of the playhead. If you select to split your clip, that is where the split will be. If you don't see it, sometimes it may be because it is at the very front. You can manually grab it and adjust the position or use your trackpad or mouse to do so. I press the Command Y to split my clip. Now I have 2 clips that I can rearrange or delete. To delete the clip, simply select it, indicated by the yellow line around it, and press the Delete key. Now the split option is useful for dividing the video in the middle to remove sections within, while the trim option allows you to cut from either the front or back of the clip. If now I select the clip and press Command T, I will see a similar yellow line that lets me grab the yellow handles on both ends to shorten my clip. The area outside the yellow handles is the area to be trimmed. If you need to perform the split and trim actions again, choose a new position for splitting. Once you select a clip to trim it, you can't select to split it. You have to complete the trimming part first by clicking Done, then you can select it again to split it. You can also insert other videos before or after your clip. Go to Edit menu and scroll down to Insert Clip. By default, the option to insert the clip after is displayed. However, by pressing the Option key, you can toggle between the after and before options. Select the video you want to add and you can perform all similar edits to it, such as rearranging, splitting, trimming, etc. However, there is no need to import movies clips separately. In fact, you can open another video, select the desired clips, and manually drag them directly into another video, which I find it easier. Now, by default, you see the clips of your video, but you can also show audio tracks by going to View, Show Audio Tracks. You can edit and modify the audio tracks the same way you modify the video clips. You can remove either audio or video tracks by going to Edit, Remove Audio or Video. Let's say I removed audio from this clip of Rio and now I want to add the background music. You can also do that in QuickTime Player. Go to Edit, Add Clip to the end and find your audio file. And now when I play it, it will have music instead of the original audio. You can also create a loop from your video that you may want to use to create a GIF. First, you want to trim the clip to something shorter, and you can try it a few times to get the perfect length. Once you're good with the final clip, you go to Video and Loop, and now when you play it, it will play continuously. Now, what is also great that you can always revert any changes until you save it. So if I press Command Z multiple times to undo everything we did up to that point, I get back to the original length of my video. QuickTime Player also supports creating movies from image sequences. Go to File, Open Image Sequence, and select the photos that you want as part of your movie, and you can specify the speed. However, you can no longer customize it, and the slowest speed is 24 frames per second, which is still pretty fast, unfortunately. To save your edited frames as a movie, go to File and select either Save or Export. Now, in QuickTime, export options are limited to 4K, 1080p, 720p, and 480p resolution. The 4K option is often grayed out and unavailable, but you can typically save your files in the same format as the original. In addition to easily edit audio and video, QuickTime can also take a screenshot of the entire screen or selection, record your entire screen or section with an audio record, and FaceTime movie record with an audio. To take a screenshot, go to the File menu and click on New Screen Recording. The first three options on the left take a screenshot either of the entire screen, a single window, or a custom selection. Once you choose your preferred option, you will either have a camera icon appear or have an option to capture the selection for screenshot. The screenshot will be saved on your desktop or in any other location you specify in the settings, which we will discuss shortly. The next two options have to do with recording your screen. You have the choice to record the entire screen or make a custom selection of what you want to capture. Before clicking either one, select options on the right to choose where you want to save your QuickTime files. You can also decide if you want a timer before you start your recording with options like no timer, 5-second, or 10-second timer. Additionally, you can select whether you want to record an audio. If you have an external microphone, you can choose to capture your voice using that, or you can use the computer's built-in microphone. The stop button is at the top bar of your screen. Another option is if you want a quick audio recording, select the new audio recording under File menu option. If you want to record a FaceTime video, go to File menu again and select New Movie Recording. Controls appear that allow you to start recording, control the volume, and choose recording options. Click the record button to start recording and click the stop button when you're done. Unfortunately, the current QuickTime Player version 10.5, you can no longer pause your recording, but now you know how to cut sections out if you should need to. Thanks so much for watching.